My phone is on airplane mode right now. No Wi-Fi, no mobile data, no internet connection of any kind. And I just asked an AI a question and it answered me in seconds. This is Google's brand new Gemma 4. A completely free AI that runs entirely on your phone with no internet, no subscription, and no data ever leaving your device. Google released Gemma 4 on April 2, 2026, and most people have absolutely no idea this exists yet. By the end of this video, you are going to have it running on your own phone, completely set up, completely free, step by step exactly as I show you on screen right now. Here is what this tool gives you before we even get into the setup. It is 100% free with an Apache 2.0 license, which means it costs nothing now and nothing ever. It works completely offline after a one-time download. It runs on both Android and iPhone. It can answer questions, read images, transcribe audio, and automate tasks all without a single byte of data leaving your phone. Your conversations are completely private. Nothing goes to any server anywhere. Subscribe to Padded Vibes right now so you never miss a tutorial like this. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from. Now let us get into this properly. Step 1. What makes Gemma 4 different from every other AI you have used before? On screen now, here is the key difference between Gemma 4 and tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Every time you ask ChatGPT or Gemini a question, that question travels from your phone across the internet to their servers, gets processed on their computers, and then the answer travels back to you. That means three things. You need internet to use it. Your question is being sent to and processed by an external company, and you are paying a subscription for access to those servers every single month. Gemma 4 works in a completely different way. After a one-time download, the entire AI model lives on your phone. When you ask it a question, the processing happens directly on your device using your phone's own chip. Nothing goes anywhere. No internet required. No server contact. No subscription. No data leaving your hands. Google built the specific mobile versions of Gemma 4 in collaboration with Qualcomm and MediaTek, the companies that make the chips inside most modern Android phones. These versions were engineered from the ground up to run efficiently on a phone processor using under 1.5 gigabytes of memory on supported devices. This is not a watered-down version of an AI. This is a purpose-built mobile AI from Google that is genuinely capable. On screen now, watch this. My phone is going onto airplane mode right now. Wi-Fi off. Mobile data off. Everything disconnected. I am opening the app and asking it a question. Watch the answer appear. No internet. Still works. Instantly. That is what makes Gemma 4 different from everything else available right now. Step 2. Check if your phone is compatible before you download anything. On screen now, here is the compatibility breakdown. For Android users, your phone needs to be running Android 10 or later. For the best performance, you want a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip or newer, a Google Tensor G3 chip or newer, or a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chip or newer. In practical terms, if you bought your Android phone in 2023 or later from any major brand, you will almost certainly meet these requirements. For iPhone users, iPhone 15 Pro or newer is the recommended device for reliable, smooth performance. The A17 Pro chip in the iPhone 15 Pro handles AI processing significantly faster than older models. iPhone 14 and older can technically run the smaller version of Gemma 4, but performance will be noticeably slower. On screen now, here is something worth knowing. When Google AI Edge Gallery launched, it hit number 8 on the iOS App Store productivity chart within days. That means this is not just a developer tool or a tech enthusiast experiment. Regular, everyday people are downloading this right now and searching for exactly the kind of tutorial I am showing you in this video. You are getting in at exactly the right time. Step 3. Download Google AI Edge Gallery. This is the free app from Google that hosts Gemma 4 and all its features on your phone. On screen now, let me show you exactly how to get it. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type AI Edge Gallery. You are looking for the app by Google LLC. Tap Install. It is completely free. No payment, no subscription, nothing required. Here is the app opening for the first time. Look at this interface. Clean, simple, and organized. You can see all the features laid out in front of you. AI chat, ask image, audio scribe, and mobile actions. This is a full AI assistant built by Google sitting on your home screen right now, completely free. We are going to go through every single one of these features in this tutorial. Step 4. Download the Gemma 4 model onto your phone. On screen now, inside the app, tap on the model section. You are going to see two options, E2B and E4B. Let me explain what each one means in plain language so you can pick the right one for your phone. E2B is the smaller and faster version. It requires a 2.5 GB download and uses less storage and less memory. It gives you quick responses and works well on most phones, including mid-range devices. If you are not on a flagship phone or if you want faster response times, E2B is your choice. E4B is the larger and smarter version. It requires a 5 GB download and uses more processing power. It produces more detailed and more accurate answers. If you are on a flagship phone from 2023 or later with plenty of storage, E4B will give you noticeably better results, especially for complex questions. For this tutorial, I am going to download E2B so you can follow along on any compatible phone. On screen now, tap E2B and tap download. This is the one and only time you will need an internet connection for this entire tool. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi for this download because it is 2.5 GB. Put your phone down and let it complete. And here it is. The model status switches from downloading to ready. From this moment forward, you never need internet again to use this AI. The entire model is now living on your phone. Step 5. AI chat with thinking mode. On screen now, tap AI chat inside the app. This is the main conversation interface and it looks similar to ChatGPT or Claude, but everything happening here is entirely offline. Watch this. I'm going to type a question. Write me a 5-step plan to grow a YouTube channel in 2026. On screen now, watch the answer generating. Every word appearing on this screen is being processed by your phone's chip with zero internet. No data going anywhere. And look at the quality of this answer. This is not a generic surface-level response. This is a structured, detailed, actionable plan. On screen now, I am going to ask a follow-up question while still on airplane mode. Now make this plan specifically for a tech tutorial channel. Watch the answer refine itself based on the context of the previous message. It remembers the conversation, it builds on the previous answer, and it delivers something more specific and more useful. All of this offline. Every single one of these tasks used to require either a paid subscription, a live internet connection, or both. Gemma 4 does all of them for free on the phone already in your pocket. You have just replaced multiple paid AI subscriptions with one free offline tool that runs on the phone already in your hand. Comment Gemma below right now and I will reply with my top 10 prompts for using Gemma 4 to create blog posts, YouTube scripts, and affiliate content completely offline. And if you want to see how to use Gemma 4 alongside Claude AI and ChatGPT as a complete free AI toolkit, comment toolkit below and that is my next video. Hit the like button if this tutorial gave you something genuinely useful. Subscribe to Padded Vibes so you never miss a video like this. And drop a comment telling me where you are watching from and which feature you are going to test first. I read every single comment and I will see you in the next one.